these recipes incorporate cheese in some really magnificent ways, right?
I love that. You're absolutely right. In repertoire, those twice baked souffles that we made, and that had the king of cheeses, that Parmigiano Reggiano. That was delicious. I'm doing it well, huh? Yeah. But that was fantastic, and that incorporated it in, and it just bold, wonderful flavor.
Right.
Really, really good. And then that kitchen shortcut Bible that we did, there was crumbled feta.
I thought that was magnificent because you wouldn't typically choose feta as the cheese that you put in to basically make the sauce. So this orzo was cooked down and made, I mean, our testers,
They loved it.
They thought it was like a risotto. So, instead here you've got this feta that's melting into it, making this gorgeous, cheesy, creamy sauce, which I thought was a brilliant application.